Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Sarwar, team lead of Studio 71, presenting you our product 3knot3, which was developed during the program LearnAthon 3.0. So let's dive in. So around 4 months ago, a journey with LearnAthon 3.0 began. Team Studio 71 consists of Ahmed Sarwar, Ahmed Shafayat and Waitij Islam started journey on learning professional standard software development practices. We decided to come up with an idea of creating something representing our country regarding the project for the LearnAthon 3.0. So what we decided? We decided on developing a 2.5D top-down shooting simulation software using Unity game engine based on Birseshto book by Jahannar Imam. The storyline and contents were roughly followed while developing the software. As for in-development phase, this product contains 5 out of 7 playable unique story described in the book. So the immersive and super smooth transitioning UI was designed by our UI UX designer Waitij Islam. A highly engaging and easy to navigate UI experience was assured and consistent color palette and art style was followed throughout the simulation software. The dialogue system was also built on this purpose. And highly immersive audio sourcing, selection and implementation was also done by him. Again, highly engaging gameplay was designed and developed by our lead programmer Ahmed Shafayat. The smooth player controller animation and controls gives us an unprecedented experience of simulated situation of Liberation War 1971. Besides, the unique level design and scene creation mechanism was also developed by him. Throughout the development, the core debugging process was also handled by him. Finally, the concept making, project management and other stuffs were made and maintained by our team lead Ahmed Sarwar Arnob. Apart from that, anime system mechanics were designed and developed by him to give user a consistent challenge throughout the gameplay. Various types of enemies with unique abilities were designed to properly simulate stories of the book. So what technologies were used? For core game development, Unity engine was used, which uses C# as programming language. For custom 3D modeling editing, Blender was used. Mixamo was used to fluently implement character animation. Adobe Suite like After Effects, Illustrator and Audition was used for in-game graphics and video creation and modification. GitHub was used for proper version control. GameCI and Butler API was used for CI/CD implementation. Ease.io was used as publishing platform, and Jira initially, then GitHub projects were used for project management. Milanote was used for storyboarding. And that's the 9 things that we used throughout our development process. So finally, what was our takeaway from the LearnAthon 3.0 program? Although all of team members of us had the basic Unity engine knowledge beforehand, we had zero knowledge of professional standards. LearnAthon helped us to know 1. Clean and optimized coding protocols followed by industry. We learned about singleton pattern, finished state machine, and a lot of other industry level techniques used by professionals. We learned proper version control system via Git. GitHub was surely an amazing tool to manage all the stuffs regarding. Finally, we learned to implement CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment for our project, which surely reduced a lot of hassles during software testing process. As we can see in images, Team Studio 71 has covered all code quality metrics, including coverage, bugs, vulnerability, code smells, local depth, and complexity. And by contributors, we can see that 3 of our team members have equally distributed and contributed in Studio 71 project of 3knot3. So thank you everyone for your kind patience. Hope you liked our product. If you do, then kindly support us. Thank you again.